Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install software update or firmware update. First go to settings. Select the settings icon from top right corner. Go to device preferences. Select about. Under about, here you can see right now I am using Android TV OS version 10. I am going to update this. Go to system update. Select this. Now it's checking for update. Please wait. Okay, done. It shows new update available. The version of new update is Android TV OS 12. Size of the update is 762 MB. On right side you can see one download button. Select that button. That way we can download and install this update into this TV. If you are not able to see this update in your TV, that means company is not yet released this update for your TV model. Hence you have to wait. You have to keep checking this. Once this is available, then you would be able to download and install this update into your device. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.